Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys a little problem I ran into. It was actually the first mod that I tried to do with the car, and I ran into a situation where the instruction manuals were actually outdated, so they said. I tried to install a AFE air intake, and apparently the instruction manual that they give you is actually outdated. And there was a lot of frustrations with that. I thought they gave me the wrong parts and whatnot. Anyways, it turned out that they first gave you a double shroud here. There were supposed to be two, I guess, what do you call it there now? Anyways, there was supposed to be a double clamp here. Turns out that they used to crack off because there was so much force in the engine. So that's what they did. They took the double one out and just replaced it with just a single one. And now there's lots of movement there, lots of flex, so that you don't crack it off. Anyways, if you're in the same boat as I am, don't panic. AFE was quick to respond on their Facebook page, and they assured me that was normal. So I guess the next modification will be, I don't know, what do you think? What do you think the next modification I should go with? I'm thinking like maybe X-pipe, full exhaust, headers, I don't know. I don't really want to take the warranty off the car yet. This is actually a 2019, so let me know in the comments below what you think, and who knows what will be next. Anyways, for now, peace out.